Hello, today we are going to look at how to enter data in Excel with ease. So supposing you have this form that you want to fill, you have name, class and age. So the best way to use is use alternate plus letter D plus letter O. So first you select the headings. So name, class and age. This heading, you select it. Then you press the alternate key and hold it and press letter D and letter O. So this dialog box will appear. Then you click OK. So you see this interface. You see that it will pick the heading. So you have name, class and age. So name, for example, you can type maybe the first narrator or say, then you type the class maybe agric 2 age, then you click on new, then you type the next person, Kwame Athal, then class maybe science 2, then you type the age, then you click on new. So with this, you could see that it will help you so that you'll be able to enter the data with ease, or you'll be able to enter the data fast. So the last one, yeah, maybe gamma, then class 5, then you enter the age, then you click on new. So this is another best way to enter data into Excel. So we said that if you have a data in Excel that you want to fill, so make sure you highlight the headings, then you press alternate key and hold it, and press letter D and letter O. So you press alternate key, you hold it, press letter D and O, so that it will bring you this interface. Then after that, then you can enter the data that you want. Thank you very much.